Click on the subscribe button below at this side to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be among the first to get our videos whenever it drops. We're starting with English language. For these questions 1 to 3, select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. My boss asked me to take my eyes off the ball. A. I should stay off football after sustaining an injury. B. I should be focused when I am about to stay off football. C. I shall be focused when playing football. D. I should stop paying attention to what is most important. The robber was hedged by the people. A. The robber was surrounded by the people. B. The robber was exposed by the people. C. The robber was caught by the people. D. The robber was killed by the people. So pick out the one that best explains what the statement the robber was hedged by the people means. Kunana is like a bear with a sore head. A. He is ugly. B. He is a bully. C. He has head injury. D. He is grumpy. So which of these options explains Kunana is like a bear with a sore head? Mathematics. If y is equal to 3 sine minus 4x, the y over the x is A. minus 12 cos minus 4x, B. 12 cos 4s, C. minus 12 cos minus 4s, D. 12 sine minus 4x. I think 6 should be minus 12 sine minus 4s. So take note of the option C. If y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 5, find the y over the x at x equal to 5. A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 3. Determine the maximum value of y equal to 3x squared minus x cubed. A. 0, B. 4, C. 2, D. 6. Biology. Which of the following is involved in secondary thickening in plants? A. Vascular cambium and collenchymal cells. B. Vascular cambium and cork cambium. C. Cork cambium and sclerenchyma. D. Collenchyma and xylem cells. The process of shedding the exoskeleton of an arthropod is known as A. Ecdysis, B. Metamorphosis, C. Tagmosis, D. Instar formation. The presence of chetae or chetae on earthworm is for A. Respiration, B. Excretion, C. Locomotion, D. Reproduction. Chemistry. Zinc plus copper sulfate, zinc sulfate plus, to give zinc sulfate plus copper. In the above reaction, the oxidation of the, please take note, between the copper sulfate and zinc sulfate there is an arrow showing that it is actually the production of zinc sulfate and copper from zinc and copper sulfate. In the reaction above, the oxidation number of the reducing agent changes from plus 1 to plus or minus 3, B. plus 1 to plus 2, C. 0 to plus 2, D. 0 to plus 4. MnO2 plus 4HCl to give MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. In the reaction above, MnO2 acts as it acts as A is what? A catalytic agent. B. bleaching agent, C, a reduction agent as reducing agent, and D, an oxidizing agent. H2O plus C to give H2 plus CO. The oxidizing agent in the reaction above is A, CO, B, H2O, C, D, H2. Physics. From the diagram below, the equivalent capacitance of the three capacitors is, the diagram is 3 microfarad connected in series to another 3 microfarad, connected in series to another 3 microfarad. So what is the equivalent capacitance? A, 1 microfarad, B, 1/3 microfarad, C, 1/9 microfarad, D, 3 microfarad. The plates of a 0.5 microfarad uncharged capacitor, uncharged, not unchained, are connected to a 10 volts battery. The charge on the capacitor after a long time is A, 50.0 micro C, B, 20.0 micro C, 10.0 micro C for C, and D, 5.0 micro C. So C stands for coulomb. So 50 microcoulomb, 20 microcoulomb, 10 microcoulomb, or 5 microcoulomb. The capacitance of a parallel place capacitor is 20 microfarad in air and 60 microfarad in the presence of a dielectric. What is the dielectric constant? A, 3, B, 6, C, 0.3, D, 2.0. Economics. Which of the following is used by the Central Bank of Nigeria to control inflation? A, exchange rates, B, tariffs on imports, C, discount rates, D, tax rates. The precautionary demand for money is determined by A, the rate of interest, B, the level of income, C, general price level, D, the level of savings. If CBN reduces money supply, the interest rate will A, fall, B, rise, C, remain unchanged, D, fluctuate. Government. The credibility of the electoral process is enhanced by the existence of A, ombudsman, B, independent judiciary, C, pressure groups, D, transparent electoral body. An electoral system in which a candidate with the highest number of votes in a constituency is declared winner is A, absolute majority system, B, simple majority system, C, alternative vote system, D, second ballot system. The officer responsible for announcing the results of election is known as A, ballot officer, B, presiding officer, C, returning officer, D, electoral officer. Accounting. When goods are returned from a branch to the head office, the accounting entries would be to debit the goods sent to branch and A, stock account, B, adjustment account, C, debtors account, D, cash account. The objective of preparing the branch markup account by the head office is to obtain the A, expenditure profit of the branch, B, gross profit of the branch, C, cost of goods returned to the head office, D, actual quantity of the unsold goods. The difference between the closure of the books of a branch and those of a separate company is that A, there is retained earnings account on the branch books, B, the revenue and expense account is not closed to the home office current account, C, there is no retained earnings account on the branch books, D, the revenue and expense account is closed to the branch current account. Commerce. The variety of goods and services which a company offers for sale is its A, place mix, B, product mix, C, promotion mix, D, price mix. The firm that adapts itself to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than its competitors is said to be practicing A. Product concept, B. Distribution concept, C. Price concept, D. Marketing concept. The coming together of consumers to protect their rights is referred to as A. Consumerism, B. Covert importer, C. Estoppel, D. Consumer sovereignty. CRK. The Lord led the Israelites round by the way of the wilderness, and not through that of the Philistines, which was near, because A. He wanted the journey to be long, B. He wanted to teach them patience and perseverance, C. He didn't want them to encounter war and go to Egypt, D. The Israelites preferred going through the wilderness. David was successful as a leader in Israel because A. of his training as a soldier, B. of his life as a shepherd, C. of the love of his people, D. he submitted to God's guidance. Ezra was able to gain favor before the king of Persia because A. the hand of the Lord was upon him, B. Aaron was his great-grandfather, C. he was a scribe and the king's friend, D. he was skilled in the law of Moses. Agriculture. In which layer of the soil profile do most biological activities occur? A. D horizon, B. C horizon, C. B horizon, D. A horizon. Soil water is available for root absorption at field capacity is soil water that is available for root absorption at field capacity is A. capillary water, B. gravitational water, C. superfluous water, D. hygroscopic water. Yellow coloration of the lower leaves of a growing maize plant may be due to deficiency in A. phosphorus, B. potassium, C. nitrogen, D. zinc. Literature in English. His back is stoutly timbered, and his pilot of very expert and approved allowance. The subject of description in the lines above is A. ship, B. raft, C. tree, D. aeroplane. O heaven, how got she out? O treason of the blood, fathers, from hence trust not your daughter's mind, by what you see them act. Is there no charms by which the property of youth and manhood may be abused? The act of treason in the excerpt above is A. adultery, B. suicide, C. elopement, D. murder. Faceless. One of the themes in the novel is A. frustration, B. freedom, C. protection, D. peace. Geography. The term used to describe the vegetation type of the Amazon basin is A. pampas, B. vale, C. selvas, D. coniferous. Pine, fir, larch, and spruce are commonly found in A. equatorial forest, B. deciduous forest, C. coniferous forest, D. mangrove forest. Plants that are highly tolerant of drought can survive in dry habitats are referred to as A. hydrophytes, B. tropophytes, C. xerophytes, D. mesophytes. That is how we come to the end of today's quiz competition for Jamb past questions and answers. Please click on the subscribe button at this side below. Check out our other videos to learn, see the solutions to the ones we've done before, and practice with our other lecture videos from YouTube. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe to subscribe. Like this video, share it. Thank you and God bless you.